Yeah, I'm doing sure. I know, but I'll have 2 hours.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and we hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
God, this is like a monster.
Hi, how are you?
They're confused over there. I want to make sure.
You're on the right one.
All right.
For today. Hello. Can I sit by the window?
No, you're on 3C actually.
Oh,
Yeah. 3C. Yeah, you can use your sign C. You know where you see it? C. Here. Here.
And once again, a very hearty welcome aboard Frontier Flight 1260 with service up to Newark this evening. Hopefully that is in your travel plans. If not, I'd like to say congratulations. It is now, and welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, you are lucky to have 4 of Frontier's very finest flight attendants. They're going to be taking great care of you this evening here in the captain, and we do have an amazing captain and first officer up front leading the way. On behalf of your entire flight crew and Meadow and West, the horses are going to be chasing us tonight on our tail and winglets, we all welcome you aboard. And at this time, if you would please pause your conversations and use of any electronic devices for just a few moments so we can have your attention as we show you the important safety features of this Airbus 320. If you could please verify tray tables are upright, and those of you up in lucky rows 1, 2, 3, and 13, yes, those seats do recline, my friends. It is important at this time that they are in their full upright and locked position. Any carry-on items that you brought on board today under that seat in front of you need to be pushed all the way forward so that your row and your laps, that area around your seating area, is completely free of any obstructions and clear. Please make sure your small electronic devices are either held or secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. And at this time, if you would, please pull out that safety information card in the seat back pocket so you can follow along as we demonstrate the important safety features of this aircraft. Just in case you haven't been in an automobile since 1950, my friends, let's show you how to use a seatbelt. It is fastened by simply inserting the metal end of the buckle to tighten, pull on the loose strap, and release lift up on the top of that buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2 door exits in the front and 2 door exits in the very back of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 over-wing exits, 2 on each side of the wing. And each is equipped with an evacuation slide that plays automatically when opened, and the slides at each exit door may be used as rafts. An additional life raft is located in an overhead bin near the back of the cabin, as noted on that safety information card. Red and white signs overhead and disco lights on the floor will lead you to all of these exits. Take a look and find your nearest exits, keeping in mind they might be behind you. And in the event this becomes a cruise ship and we find water along the way this evening, please use that life vest under your seat. Remove this vest only when instructed by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch, and then pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place this beautiful itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow bikini life vest over your head and wrap that strap around your waist. Insert the end into the buckle, insert the end into the buckle and then pull on that strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, simply pull down sharply on the red tab on the front, or you can just blow into that red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. This vest is equipped with a water-activated light to help those sharks find us, and the location and use of life vest for small children can be found where? You guessed it, in that safety information card. And if needed due to a loss of cabin pressure, stop screaming, my friends. Look up, and 4 oxygen masks will magically appear from that compartment overhead. Pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of this life-giving oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Relax and breathe normally. Life is good, my friends. To adjust it to your face, simply pull on the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger who acts like a child. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are traveling with several children this evening, this is the moment where you get to choose your favorite one to help first, or the one with the most potential. And although oxygen is flowing, this bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations do require passenger compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and last but not least, crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Speaking of smoking, my friends, this is a great opportunity to begin that smoking cessation program for the next couple of hours. And if you can't survive without a smoke, please let us know immediately. We'll be happy to receive you outside on the wing in our very special smoking lounge, where you get an up-close and personal viewing of our in-flight entertainment, Gone with the Wind. The rest of you can enjoy the ride inside the cabin. And please know that smoking of any kind, including the use of electronic cigarettes, vapor sticks, or any other kind of sticks you'd like to smoke tonight, is not allowed anywhere inside the aircraft, and this does include the lavatories. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any lavatory smoke detectors. If you paid attention, I'd like to be the first to say thank you. It is for your safety and the safety of those about you, and if not, good luck. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, and our hospitality for a couple of quick hours till we find our way up to Newark this evening. Welcome aboard. Wow, pulling that strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, simply pull down sharply on the red tab on the front, or you can just blow into that red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest.
reminders for a flight. If you look up, you'll see the fasten seatbelt sign is still on, and federal regulations require that you remain seated with seatbelts fastened anytime this sign is on. If you plan to sleep, please make sure your seatbelt is visible to the flight attendants. While you're seated, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. You may now use your laptop computers, but remember to keep all other devices in the game or airplane mode. There are 3 lavatories on this aircraft, 1 forward and 2 in the rear of the cabin. For those with little ones, our lavatories offer a changing table for your convenience. For security, we ask that you refrain from congregating in the aisle, galleys, and lavatories during the flight. Only 1 person may be waiting for the forward lavatory at any time. Please keep any alcohol, including minis you brought with you today, stowed at all times. It is against federal regulations to consume your own alcohol on board any aircraft. In a few moments, we'll begin our in-flight service with a selection of beverages and snacks, all available for purchase with a debit or credit card. We are proud to offer Coke products, juices, bottomless cups of coffee or hot tea for purchase. There's also a great selection of beer, wine, or liquor, along with a variety of tasty treats. We'll be live in the cabin shortly. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Start flying to 15 destinations in and out of Newark. This month we're actually starting flights into Orlando and Miami and San Juan, Puerto Rico. I get to work tomorrow. So if you'd like to go to Puerto Rico, come on board, we'll take you along. And then coming up later in the month, actually tomorrow, we're going to start flights directly from Newark into McCarran Airport in Las Vegas. We're also going to start direct service coming up in December to Palm Beach International, Phoenix, Atlanta, and then next year we have a long list we're going to start, including direct flights from Newark into Tampa, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, Denver, Ontario, California, Chicago, Raleigh, Durham, Dallas, Fort Worth, and last but not least, Cancun, directly out of Newark. So thank you all so much for choosing to fly with us. It's an exciting time. We as an airline are literally expected to double in size the next 5 years. We have well over 100 new Airbus on order. Folks, we are the youngest fleet of any U.S. airline, the most fuel efficient fleet, and we do have one of the safest track records. So it's a great time to be flying with us, and we're thrilled that all of you chose to join us in the sky tonight. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it gets even better. This flight has actually been selected to participate in an exciting promotion and an opportunity. Frontier would like to offer every one of you on board this evening, if you're 18 years old and older, 2 round-trip tickets on Frontier's dime. It's a really great opportunity for you. Frontier has the best mileage program in the industry. It's actually possible with us to receive a round-trip ticket as low as 20,000 Frontier miles.
I'm going to turn it on again about 5 or 10 minutes for the last time, so not your last chance to stretch your legs if you need to. The good news is we're showing arrival at about 10:10, so we should be in the gate definitely right on time, if not a little bit early. Fair weather down there, winds are east about 15 miles an hour. Scattered clouds, temperature is now 32 degrees. I'd like to thank you for flying with us this evening. Hope to see you on the Frontier flight soon. Good night.
flight from Frontier Airlines. Welcome to Newark. The local time is 10 p.m. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. You may now use your cell phones if they're available to you at your seat. As you're checking that seatbelt pocket for any of your personal items, if you can do us a favor and place all your trash items on the seat. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until you reach the gate. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage claim. Customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have the plane. Wheelchairs may not be available until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to better assist you. Visit flyfrontier.com next time you fly to get our lowest fares done right. We have enjoyed our flight with you and thank you for choosing Frontier Airlines. Just a friendly reminder, we will be getting towed to the gate, so please be patient. When the seatbelt sign goes off, that's when you'll be able to get up and get your items from the overhead.
And folks from the flight deck, just to let you know, we're going to tow into this gate, so we're going to have to stop, set the brake. Seatbelts then will not be turned off until we're actually at the gate, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, please. Thanks.
Thank you.
So we did it. Sorry, I keep bumping you, man. I'm out. I expected to keep walking and then I'm sorry. Apologize. Okay.